Unlock the full potential of your teaching with Driving Instructor Reference Points, a must-have guide for every driving instructor committed to excellence. This essential A5 size, 36-page guide ensures your learners not only pass their tests, but also become confident, independent drivers. Designed to aid in excelling at the ADI Part 3 test, this book helps create a structured learning environment that simplifies challenging concepts and boosts students' confidence. The comprehensive strategies and practical examples help you seamlessly incorporate reference points into your lessons, ensuring thorough and effective preparation. Structured learning. Step-by-step instructions on using reference points to simplify complex driving tasks. Enhanced understanding. Clear explanations and visual aids that help learners grasp and retain essential driving skills. Confidence building, techniques that empower learners to drive independently, reducing their reliance on the instructor. Practical application, real-world examples and scenarios that illustrate the effective use of reference points in everyday driving lessons. Driving Instructor Reference Points is an indispensable resource for any driving instructor aiming to improve their teaching techniques and achieve outstanding results. Add Driving Instructor Reference Points to your professional library today and take the first step towards becoming an exceptional driving instructor.